important central bank is European Central Bank. It was officially established in the year 1998, 1st June 1998, and its headquarters is at Frankfurt, Germany, and it includes 15 countries: Belgium, Germany, Ireland, Greece, Spain, France, Italy, Luxembourg, Netherlands, Austria, Portugal, Slovenia, Finland, Cyprus, and Malta. Its currency is known as Euro, and it was established on 1st June 1998, and the predecessors of this central banks are the European Monetary Cooperation Fund EMCF, European Monetary Institute EMI, and it was established as per the Treaty on European Union on 1st June 1998. The organizing or the member countries are given in this slide. Here, the organizational structure of European Central Bank is given. It consists of the organizational structure is like this. It consists of General Council, Governing Council, and Executive Board. Then this General Council contributes to the European Central Bank's advisory and coordination work, and also helps to prepare new countries joining in the joining in the Euro area. And Governing Council defines Eurozone monetary policy as well as fixes interest rate, and the major role of Executive Board is the implementation of monetary policy and day-to-day running of the bank. These are some of the important functions of the General Council, Governing Council, and Executive Board of European Central Bank, or the various layers of European Central Bank are General Council, Governing Council, and Executive Board. Then major objectives of European Central Bank is given in this slide. Major objectives are maintain price stability, support general economic policies of European Union states, and ensure open market economy. These are the major objectives of European Central Bank. Apart from this, European Central Bank also meets all other functions of the central bank, but these three policies, or these are the three important objectives of European Central Bank. Their monetary policy has both expansionary and restrictive policy. These are to reduce, or these are to control the inflationary and deflationary situations. And the major monetary policy instruments include open market operation, standard facilities, as well as the minimum reserve. Open market operation is just like our open market operation, and it is an important tool in managing interest rate, market liquidity, signaling, and the policy movement. An important tool is standard facilities. Its main objective is to provide and absorb overnight liquidity, and the general monetary policy stands as well as the signal about and to suggest about the overnight market interest rate. Two standing facilities are marginal lending facility and deposit facilities. Minimum reserve is the third important tool, and the Governing Council of the European Central Bank has decided to apply the minimum reserve as an integral part of the operation of the framework for the monetary policy in stage 3. It provides facilities of money market interest rate. These are the important organizational structure, functions, and the important monetary tools of European Central Bank, and I have given only a summary of the functions as well as the monetary policy of the European Central Bank, since all other functions are similar to these functions explained